Hi, this is Stan. Welcome to the Crow's Nest Railroad. We got some work to do today. Well, we've had a bit of a cold snap the last few days. Temperatures getting down into the upper 30s. So you can see Rodney's been comfortable, snuggled into his car barn here overnights. We've had to cover some plants, and we even had a little bit of rain. But today we got to get some things done. Well, I've got a friend coming over today to help me with some track work. You can see where I left off here. And last week I put together another full panel. You can see it kind of laying there. We've got to go from basically this area here all the way down to the concrete slab, and it's a bit of an elevation drop. And so I'm thinking that this might be a bit too high. I think we've got to pull this panel out and then give us as gentle a slope as possible to get down to the level of that concrete pad. From here out onto the driveway is going to have to be some sort of a removable track panel so that I can store it and assemble it. Okay, I'll have to pay you union rates, I guess. Alright, so it looks like we've got to get down to this level. So we're going to flatten out this section, and we're going to see if we have to tear out that other panel or if we can bridge between this concrete slab and the panel that's already in there. I can't believe this is the last standard panel. All right, Bob and I have the bed down and it's all leveled and graded out. So let's join up these panels. We'll do some final checking with the torpedo level. We'll get these sleepers in here and we can start ballasting. All right, so. Well, of course, just as soon as we started dumping ballast, I realized that I hadn't put the double sleepers to cover up underneath the rail joiners, which is really a smart thing to do. So you don't have a lot of downward pressure where those panels are butting up. So, got to back up for a second and slip a couple of these in. Better to fix it now. We'll get this prettied up. Okay, the panel's in, and we got our first session of tamping and ballasting done. We're going to go get Rodney and we're going to run him down the rail and just make sure everything feels okay on the locomotive. All right. Feels good. So all we have left here, I want to get rid of some of this junk rock here. I don't want it mixed in with the quarter minus. So, but I have a plan for that. So we've loaded up the junk dirt with the large pieces in it, and we're going to dump it on a different part of the layout. So we'll get going on that.
Over? Yep.
Nice.
Easy.
Well, this is Stan and my friend Bob saying so long for this week. We really appreciate you watching and hope you can join us again here on the Crow's Nest Railroad.